Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to add dimensions. So as example, I will create object, you can draw line in here. And the next, we create again circle at this point. Now if you want to create for the dimension linear, you can type dim line, press enter, and I will click from this corner points into here. If you want to create for dimension radius, you can type dim red and select this circle object. It will be create dimension radius. If you want to create for the dimension angular, you can type dim angular. Press enter, and I will click at these two lines to create the dimension angular. Don't forget to activate the snap to make you easy to select the object. Like in here, you can right click and then go to snap settings. Now you can activate this snap. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to add dimensions. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.